What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. And for those of you who are new, don't forget to subscribe down below if you do enjoy today's video. So I know I've been gone for a little bit, but yeah, this is gonna be the first car meet we're taking the M5 to. You guys can see it right here, warming up and stuff. But yeah guys, anyways, we're actually kind of running late. I have to pick up my friend real quick, and then from there we're gonna go to the actual meets. So yeah guys, here we go. Hopefully we get some cool footage, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video. So without further ado, stay tuned. Alright guys, we just pulled up. I thought it was gonna be a little bigger to be honest, but it should be pretty cool. I just gotta find a parking spot. I'm gonna park right here with all the cones. Alright, where should I park? Alright guys, we just pulled up. I'm parking next to the cool cars over here. Damn bro, I can't get over this. This looks so damn clean. Damn. Nardo Gray the world. Cheers. Low key, I want a 370. FRS. Okay, this is cleaner than my car. E46. Look at the tongue. Oh, this is sick. Take a picture and send it to Isaiah. Oh, this is so sick. Oh, damn. I think I've seen this car, but this must be before. Scat Pack boys. FRS or BRZ. It's pretty clean. I'm about to put some colored eyes. Supra. I'm telling my friends to bring his help. Gustavo, where you at, bro? Damn. I really want an E92 M3. That'd be so sick to have. Sick. Damn. I want one of these too. Oh my god, this is so clean. I think it's dummy wide. What the hell? This is clean. Oh, this is pretty sick. Bro, I kind of want a 370. Oh, what? Oh, this is sick. Oh, look, another Mercedes. This one? Yeah, I think that's it. Jeez, bro. Ah, slow boys. It's not full? Damn, bro. What? Oh, GTR? Supra. GTR. Bro, I want one. I want one at some point. Something different with those. That's for you, Javi, or what? Huh? That's for you? Yeah. This is sick. 720S. There we go. Damn, dude. Imagine dailying this car, dude. Imagine dailying this Tesla. It's probably like the cleanest Tesla I've ever seen in my life. It is. The white too. The white is sick. Oh look. Oh shit. Woo! The Hellcat left already. I want to say. Yeah, look here. Oh damn. Oh, that's pretty sick. I don't think you're gonna do anything.
Several days later.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, don't forget to subscribe down below if you do enjoy today's video. It's like 8 something in the morning right now. Sorry, the sun's like right in my face, but we're about to head to Little Cars and Coffee. You guys can see the car right here. I was supposed to wake up early and wash it because it's like super dirty. You can't really tell too much on camera, but it's like super dirty. But yeah, I ended up waking up late, so it is what it is. But yeah, I'm gonna pick up my girl right now, and then I'm gonna meet up with a friend here in Eastvale. And then I'm gonna meet up with some friends at the actual Cars and Coffee. But yeah guys, thanks for coming back to another video. I know it's been like a minute, but yeah, I think I'm gonna just start posting more car meets. Hopefully start attending more car meets, maybe some drives and stuff, because not too much stuff I can do to the car right now that it's not inexpensive. So yeah, it's kind of hard making videos of like mods and stuff because everything's so expensive right now, or everything that's left is kind of like, it's pretty expensive. So but yeah, hopefully you guys want to see some videos of car meets and stuff with the car. So but anyways, I'll go ahead and pick up the camera again once we do get to the Cars and Coffee, guys. Stay tuned. All right guys, we just pulled up. You guys can see a whole bunch of cars. I don't even know where to park, man. I don't even think there's parking. All right guys, we just pulled up. It's not too bad. Car's all dirty. Oh my god. See how it's all about fresh cakes. It's pretty sick. It's probably the fastest car here. Ooh, that's nice. I kind of want one of these. Oh, what? Supra? Oh, what? It's pretty sick. Pretty nice setup. Carbon fiber everywhere. Damn. That's crazy. That's a big ass wing, bro. I think I came to the wrong car meet. Damn. This is sick. This is sick too. E90. I want an E90 or E92. If it's E90, it has to be LCI. Damn. This yellow looks sick though.